Hi, I'm Tim Nelson. I'm a professor of biology at Seattle Pacific University and also serve as Dean of our College of Applied Natural Sciences. And one of the other hats I wear is as the manager for our greenhouse. Our greenhouse here at SPU was built into our building, it's not to go with it, in 2003 when the building was constructed, and we've been in here 23 years at this point. Some of these plants, if you look over here, you can see this lovely traveler's palm to my left was one I purchased back in about 2004, ordered it on eBay. It was only about that big at the time, and it's a lot bigger now, breaking out of its body. Lots of other wonderful plants in here. There's one here and another one I'll show you over here that are related to each other. These things look a little bit like ferns, but they're not. They're actually similar to things like pine trees, conifers. If you look down in here, you can see the cones that they're making. And this plant, this one, I was able to talk to a buddy of mine back 25 years ago at the University of Washington to give me from his collection. This is a species of club moss. It's not really a moss, it's actually more like the ferns. But it's the largest that lives in the world today. It ordinarily is found in places like Malaysia, where it'll grow across the rainforest floor until it encounters a tree. It really can't support its weight much higher than you see here, but when it hits a tree, it can climb 20 feet up into the tree branches and grow up that high. This is called a whisk fern, not a fern either, but it's also kind of cool because it has no leaves or roots. It's all stem. And there's some that are just fun. Or ponytail palm here. Is actually not a palm either, not a true palm, but it's got some great structure to it, some neat little designs here in the base. It's fun to look at. Again. So students are involved in this space in several ways. We'll oftentimes bring groups of our general biology or our biology courses for elementary ed teachers through here to see the examples of plants, some of which we've talked about here earlier, to see different groups of plants, different relations, plants that they really wouldn't see in nature around here, may not have seen previously in their lives at all. So it gets some unusual plants right to them. Occasionally we'll take plants from the greenhouse to the labs, and they'll be used in lab for teaching purposes. And then depending on the course and the season, sometimes we'll do experiments here growing plants. Sometimes students will do research projects in this space as well.